Then we have this very tightly pruned yew, and it's pruned with electric trimmers, right? So then it's dense on the outside. It's hard for the light to get in to create new growth in there, but actually there are these little pockets, so you've got some new growth. My recommendation here, because it's quite wide and like bulbous, or I don't know if that's the right word, but it's like unnatural shape. Do a radical prune to get it down. You could do that once, or you could do it in a couple different, seasons, and then leave it alone and have it just be natural, which would be beautiful. And so because you've got the new growth down in there, you can blow this down really far and then just leave it. And sometimes they go wider and wider and wider because people don't, they don't know how to prune them, or they don't go in and hand prune them. This is an example of a beautifully left alone shrub. And look, I'm so into this and the way it looks. So I just want to invite you to leave it like this.
Okay.
And then every so often, if you want to control it, you go in with your hand pruners and you just take little pieces off.
Okay.
Like if you have a piece that's coming up, grab it. If you want to control it, go ahead in. Here is an example of a ton of beautiful new growth in here, because there's this huge hole where there was damage of some kind. The sun can get in, you've got this beautiful new growth.